how to make a paper butterfly pencil for New Year. So this is a very easy way of making a paper butterfly pencil, and this is useful too. So you can use this pencil for writing notes and for any purpose, and you can also write a New Year note or anything over here on these two sides as well. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute butterfly pencil. So first we'll be starting off by making the wings for the pencil, like the butterfly wings. So for that I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper of pink color. So my pencil is going to be in pink color, so I'm taking pink. You guys can take any color you prefer. So the first step is that I'm just going to be drawing one line over here, and I'm drawing two lines like this. So you do not have to draw it perfectly, since we are just going to be sticking this pencil like structure on top of it. So you can just draw it like simply. Now I'm just going to be drawing one part like this, one curve, and now I'm just going to be drawing another small curve, and I'm connecting this. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So we have to make this nice and big so that we can write more and bigger notes over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and cutting it out. So I'm just going to be cutting it out a little bit past the lines I've made, since it's very small. So you guys can make it bigger while you're drawing it as well. So I'm just going a little bit past the lines like this, since it's too small. So please make it nice and big, as I said, so that your notes will also be perfect. So I'm just going to be cutting it over here, and I'm going to be cutting it on the opposite side as well. So you do not have to decorate it more, since we're just going to be sticking other things on top of it. So it's not necessary you have to decorate it. Just simply cut it out, then you can do it. So I'm just going to be cutting it out at the bottom part as well. And now I'm just going to be turning this. So as you guys can see, we'll have a structure like this. Now I'm just going to be taking a black marker, and I'm just going to be drawing a line. I'm going to be giving an outline to the picture we cut out, so that it will give more clarity, or it won't look nice. So I'm just going to be giving it a few lines. I'm going to be giving an outline like this. So you guys can do this slowly. So if you didn't cut it out properly, or you left something, a mark or something, you could just cut that part out like this. So if like this part is like your side and it's not proper, you can just cut it out. But if it's perfect, you don't have to cut it out. So now I've completed cutting it out, and now I'm just going to be drawing a line over here from the top to bottom part to separate it. So you do not have to decorate it in the middle, because in this middle part we'll be sticking the pencil-like structure. So before we stick the pencil, we have to decorate it, because after we stick it, we won't have it won't be easy to decorate. Will be like a disturbance in the middle. So I'm just going to be taking a black pen, and I'm just going to be writing something. So I'm just going to be writing Happy New Year over here. So I'll show you guys once I've completed writing it. So I'm writing happy, and now New Year. So I'm just scribbling on it, so you guys can write it out nicely like this. You can write it out nicely, or you can also write it in a bad handwriting, and you can make it in a nice way, or it's your wish. You can do anything you like. Now I'm just going to be writing, may this year be filled with lots of happiness. So I'll show you guys once I complete it. So may this year be filled with lots of happiness. So I've completed writing it. So now you guys can decorate it using your own wish. I'm just going to be drawing a small triangle and coloring it in like this. And now I'm just going to be drawing two lines from this to make it like a bow. Now I'm going to be drawing a circle, and I'm going to be drawing a line coming out from it, like this will be like a balloon. Now I'm just going to be drawing a few stars over here like this. So now I'm just going to be putting some random dots like this to make it more colorful and beautiful. So I'm just going to be putting it randomly. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this. I'm just going to be making it simple. So I'm just going to be giving you guys an outline. So now I'm just going to be taking another paper like this of pink color, and I'm rolling it slowly like this. So after we roll it, I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the corner parts of the paper like this. So you guys, it also has many uses. So you can gift it to your friends and family. You can also use it for writing, or you can just keep it as a home decor, and it looks beautiful too. So you can just gift it to someone or anyone you like. So now I'm just going to be cutting this from the top part like this and the bottom part, just a circle. So you can also make it in a really big size, and you can also use it for putting your scissors in it, like it will make them from not being dangerous. So you can just make it in a really big size, or like a conic structure, or you can make it in a really big size so that you can just fit a pen like this inside. But if you make it in a smaller size, you can't fit a pen in it. So now after we complete it, I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. So after we apply some glue, I'm just going to be sticking this part over here. So if you apply, you should not apply full glue. I just applied it to show you guys. So not apply full glue, just apply for the parts we need to stick it. I'm just going to be sticking it. So if you applied full glue, please take the glue off or just do something to it. Now I'm just going to be pushing it from both the sides like this. So after we complete this, our pencil will be ready. So what I did for this one is that I'm just taking the top part of this pen like this, and I just stuck it over here. Next I just took a little refill from I just sharpened the pencil, and I just broke its lid, and I just took it and I'm just going to be squeezing it over here. So it's just like a one-time use, so you can only use it for a little bit. Then after the lid is over, you can't use it. So you guys can do that, or you can just take a compass needle's lid and you can use it. So you guys can stick it over here and do this. So you guys can also use your own creativity to design this. So after we complete this, our paper butterfly pencil for New Year is ready. So you guys can use it for any occasion, and it's like you can write a note over here to whoever you're wishing it to. You can just write to over here. You can use a different color, and you can decorate it here as well. You can also use this as a bookmark, so you just make it in a bigger size and you can squeeze it in the top part of a book. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.